In 2017, Travis van der Zanden founded Bird to revolutionize urban transportation through electric scooters. Initially launching in Santa Monica, the company faced the challenge of regulatory hurdles and infrastructure limitations. Van der Zanden's vision capitalized on the micromobility trend, gaining rapid popularity among city dwellers seeking convenient and eco-friendly travel options. Bird strategically expanded to multiple cities globally by partnering with local governments and integrating technology for efficient scooter management. Despite competition and initial backlash, Bird's innovative approach reshaped how people navigated urban areas, positioning the company at the forefront of the micromobility movement. Van der Zanden's persistence and focus on sustainable urban transport redefined short-distance travel, illustrating Bird's significant entrepreneurial impact.